to my channel. Yes, it has been a while since I shared with you guys I have a HelloFresh box. Sorry, I was looking for my scissors. It's been a while since I shared with you guys my HelloFresh box. Now, HelloFresh, I've been using it actually for a couple years. Only if you guys can get a good deal on it is what I recommend. And these boxes are like 60 bucks. And you guys know, I know, we are cheap as, yeah, we are cheap people. But I do have a deal for you guys if you're willing to try it. Is basically what you guys can do is you can get a box which is worth $60 basically for 20 bucks. So what I say is try it and then cancel it. I do have a referral link below where you guys can try it, but I always say try it. You know, you can always cancel it. My cat's gonna be joining us tonight. But here's the thing, since I started HelloFresh, you guys, I'm a very extremely picky eater. I don't like a lot of foods. I'm afraid to try foods. But with HelloFresh lately, I've actually been trying things that I've never thought I'd try before. I've never had couscous before, and I know it's weird. I've never liked asparagus, but I've been eating that. I've been eating carrots. Only when they're roasted is when I kind of been like eating some of that stuff. But it's been crazy. Like, I've never eaten these kind of meals, and then HelloFresh just opened up to have me like some stuff. Okay, Paris, you gotta come down. I can't get out of the box. So I'm gonna share with you guys the meals. Now, I have no idea what my husband picked because he's like, can we get HelloFresh? Can I pick the meals? And I'm like, whatever, you can pick out. So the meal he picked out is home-style chicken and biscuit pot pie. We love pot pie. We've never made homemade pot pie, so I'm excited to try that. It does say it takes 50 minutes to cook. This meal I'm actually really excited to try. It is pork sausage, rigatoni, and creamy sauce. I think I've actually had this meal before. It's really good. It says it takes 25 minutes to cook. It's really good. So, and like, I don't really eat peppers. That's one thing I do take out of here. Now this is something, I love steak. I've been craving steak forever. But this is steak with mushroom and cream sauce with plus roasted potatoes and carrots. So he actually did choose stuff that I would eat. That's one thing I do like. But like the carrots, I'm not a big fan of carrots, but you know, sometimes I will eat them with a meal. And then if you guys, you know, are vegetarian, they do have vegetarian only meals. There are some meals that I've actually got that are vegetarian, and they are awesome. And there's lots of different meals you guys can choose from. And then inside they gave me a little card with delicious deals, so I can save, you know, my car insurance or Geico. And then there's a pot and pan. So not sometimes really any good deals, but I'm going to share with you guys what is inside. Well, I can smell something in there. I'm going to share with you guys what I get in every box if you guys want to try it. So here is the pork sausage in rigatoni and cream sauce. I'm probably going to make this tonight. So I'm just going to open it for you guys. So basically here is everything that you need. It comes with the white onion, which I love. It comes with a whole pepper, a mini lemon. You got your noodles. You got Parmesan. We actually like using our own Parmesan, so we just kind of put that to the side. 1 tomato. We have the red pepper chili flakes. And then I got 2 things of sour cream and some cream cheese. So that is what is in one bag. And then they have the meat on the bottom, so you can let this sit out on your front porch. This has actually been sitting on my front rugs for a couple hours now, and it's still cold inside. Here is the meal for the chicken pot pie, and then here is for the steak. So it's got some weight to it. And then here in the bottom we have the beef ranch steak. The steak looks kind of brown. Now, I've actually had problems with the meat before. I don't know if that meat is leaking or what. I've actually had meat leak on me before, and it was bad. But there is the meat, and then we have the chicken, and I didn't get, go figure. Oh, no, it's here. Okay. And then I have the sweet Italian sausage. So that is what comes in every single bag. And then you guys can make it, which is awesome. It's super easy. Everything's prepped for you. You just have to follow the instructions. Another thing I like to do is keep these so when I do want to make this meal again, I don't have to get HelloFresh. I can actually just get the ingredients myself and make it myself. But I just wanted to share with you guys what is in my HelloFresh box. Sorry, my kids. And I will show you guys what the meals look like after we make them. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, so here is our first meal. We have the pork sausage rigatoni in a creamy sauce. This is what it looks like. This is what it kind of looks like. So it's, I think we've had this before, right?
No, this is the first time.
Oh, I thought we've had this meal. So let's eat. The next meal we made is the steak with mushroom and cream sauce with roasted potatoes and carrot. So here it is. It doesn't look anything like that, but the meat is pretty good. So here we go. This part of the video, but I actually am happy that I did, because this is what the meal looked like. And this was by far one of the best meals we've had from HelloFresh. My husband absolutely loved it. So now I know how to make it. So when I do when I do want to make it in the future, I have the recipe. But if you guys haven't tried the pot pie, you definitely want to try it. It was probably one of the best. We gobbled it right up, and it pretty much can feed about 4 people. It says it's a serving size of 2, but it'll fit 4 people. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time I get a HelloFresh box. See you guys.